If you want to delete a text message or a conversation on a Motorola Edge 70 Pro, then first of all we need to go to the Google Messages app. And once you go over here, then you can go to the chat where we have messages that you want to remove. You can press and hold your finger on a message in order to select it, and then here at the top we have this trash icon, so you can delete the selected message. After selecting a message, you can also keep tapping on more messages if you want to remove multiple messages at once. Keep in mind that if you delete all of the selected messages, then they are gone forever. And besides that, we can do the same thing with chats or conversations. So you can press and hold your finger in order to select a conversation, and then here at the top we have the option to remove it. But you can of course also select multiple conversations at once, and then you can move them to trash. So at least here we have the option to go to trash later on and recover them. We have 30 days to do so, but as for messages, then unfortunately they are removed permanently. And that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.